What's up, guys? It's Savageintellect back at it again with some money saving tips. And today I wanted to talk about ways that you can stop spending so much money. These are all things that I do to not spend so much money, but I'm still able to live very comfortably. I got 5 things. And my first thing is that I leave my wallet in the car when I'm going to a mall or going out shopping or something, because if I go in there and I see it and if I really want it, I'll go back out and give my wallet to go get it. But it is really not a big problem because my phone does have Apple Pay and I'm able to use that if there were an emergency or there was something that I need to get right at that moment. So the Apple Pay does come in handy. One other thing that I do to spend less money is that I write everything down that I spend money on. I have like this journal book right here, and I'm able to like write down everything that I spend my money on. I'll go to February, and I write down every single thing that I buy. First, I write down the date, then I write down how much is being taken out, then I write down what the money is for, what I use it for, and then I write down what account that I took it out of, whether I took it off of my debit card, my credit card, or whichever bank account that I took it from. And this comes in handy because I'm able to keep track and see what I'm spending the most money on, and that'll help me for the next few months. And I've been doing this for about 6 months now, and it's really been helping me out. Another thing that I do is that I budget. In order to budget, you have to have a steady kind of income because you know what will be coming in the next month. They say if your income fluctuates up and down, then you should average them out or use just the lowest number that you've had in a month. So 1 month you can make $2,200, and then 1 month you can make $1,800. So you would just use the lowest number, $1,800, and just budget off of that. I do that. I just use the lowest number, and budgeting allows me to set aside how much money I want to use for this certain thing, or how much money I want to use for going out to eat or entertainment or having fun with friends. The third thing that I do to spend less money is sharing services. And what I mean by that is that I have a family Netflix account that I use that I don't have to pay that much on it. They're already pretty cheap as it is, but having multiple people on that one account does save you money. You can do that with Apple Music as well, because you can have the family plan and you all just pitch in $2 or whatever the case may be. And you can also do this with TV providers. I only have one TV in my home. I don't really watch TV like that, but since my parents do have Spectrum, I'm able to download channel apps on my Roku TV, and from there I'm able to log into their TV provider. And you can even do this on your phone or any tablet like that. You can download the channel app, and they will eventually ask you to sign in with your TV provider, and this could save you a lot of money. And I'm glad too that I have a Roku TV, because that saves me a lot of money as well, just because I don't have cable or anything like that, but I am able to watch YouTube and Hulu and stuff like that. One other way that can help you budget is to use the money in the envelope trick. So you can have a dining envelope where you put $100 for food for the week and stuff like that, and that really can be helpful because once that money is gone, you know that you can't spend no more money on it. And if there is money left over, you can just put it in the next month's pile or the next week's piles. And my 5th thing that I do to spend less money is to cook, buy groceries at home instead of going out all the time. Going out all the time can really take your money away without you even knowing it. It's a lot of memes out there saying my bank account be like, it's crazy how much you can really spend on these fast food places and these restaurants, and it's really beneficial to write down everything that you spend, because you'll be able to see where all your money is going, and not going out as much or going out only on the deal days like $2 Taco Tuesdays or chicken wing with boneless wing Thursdays or whatever the case may be. That can be helpful into cutting back on those restaurant bills. So thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace.